हम लोग आज we are shifting gears from the usual pattern that we are following in these special interest group sessions. We are working on some very exciting concept of center of expertise and आज मैं इस सेशन में उस कॉन्सेप्ट को डिस्कस करना चाह रहा था before we formally roll it out. We have tested it in a limited scale with Fast Islamabad also. और what we are essentially trying is we are now taking the 6 sessions to the next level where we create these mini pools of expertise in universities in a very in a more structured and more uh, more robust manner than previously. So the agenda for today's session is going to be focusing around a IoT-based center of excellence, and then we can have a quick round of discussion on those concept notes. जो सेंटर ऑफ एक्सीलेंस है, the idea of center of excellence is revolving around the opportunities जो कि we as a company see around the globe, because we have presence in North America, in Middle East, and of course in Pakistan. And we have been fortunate to be in business for the past 28 or 30 years. So what we realize is that if you are going to build solutions going forward in the next decade, and they better be based on AI, cloud, and IoT. And in order to build those industry solutions, you need the people who are skilled in each of these foundational areas. अब अगर मैं IoT की बात करूं तो IoT के अंदर एक पॉइंट पे जो कॉन्टिनम है, एक एंड पे डिवाइसेस हैं और दूसरे एंड पे एनालिटिक्स है. IoT in itself is really doesn't do much. It is very highly interrelated with the data science. तो what we are hoping to achieve is कि we have people जो कि various components of the IoT landscape उसके अंदर skilled हों. These could be the expertise around devices. जब devices की बात करते हैं तो devices की performance का एक aspect होता है, उनकी reliability एक aspect होती है, उनकी जो security है devices की, that's a huge area in itself. फिर edge computing वहाँ पे आ जाती है. Those devices are connected to a network. तो जो communication, essentially the whole point of having a device connected to a thing connected to internet is कि वो data communicate करेगा. So उस data की communication, that's another dimension to the IoT landscape. उसके अंदर you need people who understand that. फिर उसके अपने सिक्योरिटी के कंसर्न्स हैं, उसके अपने डिफरेंट प्रोटोकॉल्स हैं, उसकी अपनी डिफरेंट फिर कुछ IoT की किट्स होती हैं. पाकिस्तान में देयर आर डिफरेंट स्टार्टअप्स वर्किंग विद IoT की अक्सर किट्स मंगाने, अक्सर वो प्रोटोकॉल्स यूज़ करने कम्युनिकेशन के, वो कुछ PTA ने बैन भी किए हुए हैं, अब यूज़ भी नहीं कर सकते. फिर उसके बाद आया था जब डेटा आपके पास आपके सेंट्रल किसी मशीन पे इफ इट्स ओवर क्लाउड, तो आपके सर्वर्स में जब आ जाए तो फिर वहाँ पे उस बैठ के एक सेंट्रल डैशबोर्ड के थ्रू उन डिवाइसेस को मैनेज करना, उन डिवाइसेस से आने वाले डेटा की स्टोरेज पे काम करना, उस डेटा को मैनेज करना. वंस दैट इज़ डन तो फिर उस डेटा पे एनालिटिक्स रन करना, चाहे वो बिहेवियरल एनालिटिक्स हो, डिस्क्रिप्टिव एनालिटिक्स हो, प्रिडिक्टिव हो, प्रिस्क्रिप्टिव हो, एंड सो ऑन. Each of these areas is a requires a certain specific skill set. What we are hoping is कि हम लोग build करें एक center of excellence where different students and faculty, they have they pick an area of their own interest. Some of the examples जो मैंने अभी आपको दी, and then they become the experts in that particular area. Opportunities क्या हो सकती हैं सेंटर ऑफ एक्सीलेंस में? So for example, what I've done here is कि मैंने लिस्ट की हैं. Let me see if I can add. So मैंने यहाँ पे ये लिस्ट की हैं कुछ opportunities which we have thought would be of interest and relevance to the faculty and students. So one thing that you can do as somebody who is part of an IoT center of excellence is you can sign up as a product owner in BMS. BMS is the business management solution that we use in SPS. And as a product owner, you can sign up with us and lead that product. जो प्रोडक्ट ऑनर का रोल होता है इट्स लाइक अ प्रोडक्ट सीईओ इफ आई मे यू नो मतलब यू आर लाइक द माइक्रो सीईओ ऑफ दैट प्रोडक्ट एंड आप उस प्रोडक्ट के आइडिया, उस प्रोडक्ट की लर्निंग, उस प्रोडक्ट की गो टू मार्केट, उस प्रोडक्ट की सेलिंग, उस प्रोडक्ट की पोस्ट सेलिंग सपोर्ट एंड देन द सनसेट ऑफ दैट प्रोडक्ट, इस पूरे लाइफ साइकिल को यू आर लुकिंग इट एज एन ऑनर ऑफ दैट प्रोडक्ट. So we are looking for people जो कि based on their interest and availability can become owners of that product. And then what you see here, the BMS, this is our business management solution. So that's one thing that can be done under this center of excellence. The reason this is the first step, because it always starts, we believe it always starts with the ownership. Somebody can become an expert in devices reliability. Somebody can become an expert in the analytics. Somebody can become an expert in edge computing and so on. जब प्रोडक्ट बन जाता है तो यू हैव टू क्रिएट अ प्रोडक्ट प्लान कि आपने इस प्रोडक्ट को लर्न कैसे करना है, लर्न करने के लिए क्या बैचेस, सर्टिफिकेशन, कोर्सेज हैं, गो टू मार्केट क्या होगा. अगर मैं लेट मी शेयर विद यू एन एग्जांपल के वेंडर्स जो टेक्नोलॉजी प्रोवाइडर्स हैं वो क्या क्या चीज़ें देते हैं. So, अभी अगर आप मेरी स्क्रीन पर देख सक रहे हो तो दिस इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ IBM. दिस इज IBM's पार्टनर पोर्टल एंड व्हाट इट शोज यू हियर इज के ये सारे वो जो प्रोडक्ट के मैंने आपको पीसेस बताए ना कि अगर आपने प्रोडक्ट सीखना है तो लर्न करने के लिए क्या रिसोर्सेज अवेलेबल है. दीज आर द स्टेप्स दैट वन नीड्स टू टेक. यू कैन अर्न बैजेस, you can earn certifications, there is a digital technical enablement material available, then you can download these softwares, you can do trainings, and we as partners have the ability to share that training with people who are eligible. फिर मैं डिजिटल टेक्निकल एनेबलमेंट में बताऊँ तो दीज आर वीडियोस. आई मीन आपने समझना है कि यू वांट टू लर्न कंटेनराइजेशन, तो अब यहाँ पे आ जाएं, आपको इतनी बेसिक्स कंटेनराइजेशन की वीडियोस मिल जाएंगी. Similarly, go to market में a product owner will need to configure all of these things. Somebody needs to know कि यार मैंने मार्केट में कैसे जाना है, तो उसमें आपको you would need to do some kind of prepare some kind of assets जिसके अंदर solution briefs होते हैं, जिसके अंदर different other kind of assets होते हैं that you need. And मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. And this is just one vendor. So when we're talking about IBM, तो ये IBM की जो टेक्नोलॉजीज हैं ये उसके सेल्स एसेट्स हैं. सो फॉर एग्जांपल आपने एक प्रोडक्ट के ऑनर है एंड यू वांट टू टेक इट आउट टू द कस्टमर, तो यू वुड नीड सर्टेन मटेरियल्स टू गो विद यू दैट विल सपोर्ट यू इन योर कम्युनिकेशन. दीज कुड बी ब्रीफिंग्स, दीज कुड बी ब्रोशोर्स, दीज कुड बी केस स्टडीज, दीज कुड बी कैटलॉग्स, क्लाइंट रेफरेंसेस, कंपैरेटिव इन्फॉर्मेशन. मार्केट में और कितने IoT के सोल्यूशंस चल रहे हैं, आपको पता होना चाहिए कि मार्केट में IoT लैंडस्केप कैसा है, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट क्या दे रहा है, एक्सक्यूज मी, एजर क्या दे रहा है, ऑरेकल क्या दे रहा है, एंड सो ऑन. सो दैट्स व्हाट यू डू व्हेन यू आर अ प्रोडक्ट ओनर. वो जो मैं बात कर रहा था कि आपने एक प्रोडक्ट प्लान बनाना है, तो दैट्स अनदर एक्टिविटी दैट यू मे डू और यू मे टेक ओनरशिप ऑफ एज पार्ट ऑफ द IoT सेंटर ऑफ एक्सीलेंस. आई विल शिफ्ट माई स्क्रीन और सो अच्छा, उसके बाद आ जाता है रीड अप ऑन द प्रोडक्ट इन साइजमिक और रिसोर्स पोर्टल्स. जिस तरह ये भी मैंने आपको एक पोर्टल दिखाया, दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द पार्टनर पोर्टल्स. इसी तरह देयर इज़ अ डेडिकेटेड पोर्टल फॉर द गो टू मार्केट एंड फॉर IBM स्पेसिफिक यूज केस इट इज़ कॉल्ड साइस्मिक. हर टेक्नोलॉजी प्रोवाइडर का अपना एक रिसोर्स पोर्टल होता है, उस पर दे गिव टन्स ऑफ मटेरियल फॉर फ्री. So as part of the IoT Center of Excellence, you can go to that portal, search for your required materials. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. वो सब कुछ वहाँ पे बना बनाया मिल जाता है. You can then learn those things and then deliver those to the end customers. Another thing that you would want or you could do is कि you can give a client presentation. जब आपने learning कर ली, then the next possible step is कि somebody asked you कि ठीक है आप you're talking about Watson IoT platform. Can you give us a can you give us a technical presentation? What is Watson IoT platform? How is it deployed? How much does it cost? that could be a business presentation, but a client presentation needs to, in a client presentation, it is important that you know all the various moving pieces. So that's another thing that you can do. और इसके लिए सारा मटेरियल ये रिसोर्स पोर्टल पे अवेलेबल होता है. You can give a technical presentation. For example, अगर Avnet की IoT kits है, आज सुबह मैं उनके साथ I was playing around with those kits, and Avnet की IoT kits जो हैं, these are very nimble, smart, just like an Arduino. और उन किट्स को अगर आपने, let's say they are part of your solution and you have embedded them in your solution, so somebody needs to explain that to the customer. So in this IoT Center of Excellence, this is another activity that you can do. You can give technical presentations. Similarly, आप product demonstrations दे सकते हैं, where you show the solution in act with its all bells and whistles, उसके जितने भी functions हैं, feature set है, आप वो दिखाते हैं tailored to the end customer. इसमें एक चीज़ आप नोट कर रहे होंगे कि मैंने कुछ चीज़ें ग्रीन फॉन्ट में रखी हैं और कुछ चीज़ें जो हैं वो ब्लैक फॉन्ट में हैं. The idea is कि जो there are certain activities which create value for the customer. These are paid opportunities, and we are proposing that if somebody is willing to, let's say, give a product demo or a technical presentation, they will be paid for these services. जो black font में आप देख रहे हैं, they will be they are unpaid opportunities, and but they are important to sort of go out and talk to the customer. Similarly, creating a plan to achieve sales and technical badges and certifications. So when you are in the learning phase, किसी भी solution की, you first need to attain the technical badges and certifications, so that when you go out and talk to somebody, कि hey, I'm a part of the IoT Center of Excellence, and by the way, I'm an expert in Raspberry Pis. So you better have some credentials जो कि आपकी उस claim को support करते हो. And in order to achieve those certifications, we are expecting that somebody can take ownership to create a plan out of that. You can identify the product courses to teach. So that's an outcome. जब आप खुद certifications कर लेते हैं, उन certification pass करने के लिए courses से go through करते हैं, and you become an expert, so what you can do is you can also teach others to learn that product or even gain those certifications. So that's another activity that can happen. जब आप टीचिंग की बात करते हैं, टीचिंग एक तो we can do in our own micro environments within our own social circles to encourage others, but the landscape is way beyond that. So we work with these global training providers like Tech Data, like Avnet and similar other companies. And what these global technology training providers do is they offer trainings across the globe, across the continents, and they're looking for people who know these vendor technologies, and they're looking for instructors who can go out and teach others, and then they pay you for that. So under this Center of Excellence, that's another opportunity available. You can teach product courses for SPS also. फिर once you've learned the product, you have become an instructor. You can then roll up your sleeves and go out and start installing, deploying, and configuring the products for customers. So that's another thing, and that's a paid opportunity that we have. Customer most likely for these complex vendor solutions, they generally ask you to do a proof of concept for them first before they bring that solution into their IT environments. And that's very common these days. So an ability to do a proof of concept is a paid skill nowadays. And under this IoT Center of Excellence, we are hoping that people can sort of learn the product and do the customer POCs. Similarly, कस्टमर के साथ रिक्वायरमेंट्स डिस्कशन करना है. अगर आपने POC करना है तो फर्स्ट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि POC किस चीज़ का करना है. व्हाट आर योर रिक्वायरमेंट्स मिस्टर कस्टमर? व्हाट डू यू वांट? डू यू वांट अस टू deploy the product in a proof of concept environment in a limited manner, or should we go out, let's say we deploy 50% of the services? Would that be your definition of proof of concept? So somebody needs to go and meet the customer and conducts the requirements discovery. Okay, what's your pain point? Document those pain points and then propose a solution to those pain points. So this is a very, this is sort of when we say a lead a requirements discussion, this requires the skill set of sort of a consultant, somebody who is very accomplished, and most likely this is going to be a solution architect. I mean, in the most common of the circumstances. You can create a project plan. अच्छा, project plan जो है, this is again green font में है ये सारी, इनफैक्ट ये भी paid opportunity है. Why is this important? Let's say you go out, talk to a customer, you've learned the product, you've done the requirements discussion, customer को अपना POC करके दे दिया, customer को पसंद है गया, he places you an order. Now you need to plan for the delivery of the whole solution. And that's not an easy thing, especially when you're working with enterprise solutions. So you need to create a project plan. वो project plan जो कि customer की requirements को ऐसे तरीके से complete कर सके. ये project plan जो है, ये ना सिर्फ आपको one-on-one sales में help करता है, but this also helps you in responding to requests for proposals. We work with the state of Maryland. We work with different other states. We work with vendors, with the RFP issuers in Pakistan, in Middle East, and there are RFPs all the time. You know, abhi today I was looking at this RFP on security products from one of the largest financial institutions in Pakistan. So if somebody can take up the ownership to respond to an RFP, जिसके लिए आपको प्रोजेक्ट प्लान आना चाहिए, जिसके लिए आपको प्रोडक्ट के बारे में पता होना चाहिए, प्रोडक्ट की आपके पास प्रॉब्ली नॉलेज होनी चाहिए, आपके पास टीम बिल्ड करने की सलाहियत होनी चाहिए, और इन सब को फिर कन्वर्ज करना है इन रिस्पॉन्डिंग टू एन RFP. You can present the learning in the form of a webinar, जैसे मैं अभी आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ. So if you're interested, we can give you this opportunity to come here and present to the audience. For example, on IoT devices communication, it could be edge computing, it could be security in IoT communications, and that will be a paid opportunity also. Then there are other things that go hand in hand, but they are very important. For example, discussion groups का part रहना जहाँ पे ecosystem के different players होते हैं. It could be internal, it could be external, it could be vendors, it could be customers. Digital marketing is another thing. You cannot reach out to your customer if you ignore the digital platform nowadays, even in the enterprise level deals. So creating digital content is very important. And under this center of excellence, if somebody is interested to, let's say, write a blog or maybe promote a product of their interest on social media, these services will be paid. Similarly, if you help others to do the certifications, that's another thing that you can do. And then API is another interesting thing. Nowadays, I don't need to go out and create the, अगर मैंने एक प्रोडक्ट बनाना है, अगर मैंने एक गाड़ी बनानी है, जो डॉक्टर अरशद एग्जांपल देते हैं, तो आई डोंट नीड टू क्रिएट दी, पहले मैं रबर की फैक्ट्री लगाऊंगा और वो फिर रबर प्लांट से वो कलेक्ट करके एंड देन वो रबर बनाएगा, फिर उससे मैं टायर बनाऊंगा और फिर मैं रिम बनाऊंगा. तो इसमें तो ज़िंदगी गुजर जाएगी. ठीक है, तो अगर टेक्नोलॉजी की साइड पे आऊँ तो मुझे अपने प्रोडक्ट के सारे पीसेस जो हैं वो खुद से बनाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Nowadays it's what they call the API economy. अब APIs के through you find the right pieces, you put them together, and then you solve the puzzle. So product APIs is very important to know how to use and how to integrate them in your solution. Then integration of applications is another area. So if a customer asks me कि यार मैं तो already एक product बना रहा हूँ, but you have this service in your product that I really like and I would want to only integrate that service in my solution. So you should have the ability to understand कि मैंने अपनी एप्लीकेशन की एक सर्विस अपने कस्टमर की एप्लीकेशन के अंदर कैसे इंटीग्रेट करनी है. उसके लिए मुझे अपनी एप्लीकेशन का आर्किटेक्चर, कंपोनेंट आर्किटेक्चर पता होना चाहिए, आपकी एप्लीकेशन का फंक्शनल नॉन फंक्शनल आर्किटेक्चर पता होना चाहिए, एंड देन एबिलिटी टू इंटीग्रेट दोज इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आजकल HBL के, जस्ट टू गिव यू एक्सक्यूज मी, गिव एन एग्जांपल, अब HBL की मोबाइल बैंकिंग की ऐप यूज़ करता हूँ मैं. ऑल ऑफ अस यूज़ मोबाइल बैंकिंग एप्लीकेशंस. उसके अंदर आ रहा होता है कि बाय बस टिकट्स. सो देन इट टेक्स मी टू समबडी एल्स एंड देन इट हेल्प्स मी बाय दी, मैं बस का या एयरप्लेन का टिकट लेना चाहता हूँ तो मैं वहीं से बैठ के परचेज कर सकता हूँ. मूवी टिकट्स लेने वो मैं HBL की बैंकिंग ऐप से परचेज कर सकता हूँ. समबडी डज सम काइंड ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन देयर एंड दैट्स अ पेड अपॉर्चुनिटी इन दिस सेंटर ऑफ एक्सीलेंस. And then similarly, certifications and different roles होती हैं. ये already मैंने, I think we've emphasized these in previous sessions also. जो last 3 points आप देख रहे हैं, these are really the culmination of all the base learning. जब आप ये सारे process से गुजर चुके होते हैं, then you can manage the relationships with the customers, with the industry sales team, and then you become either a product leader or an industry leader. And then you start building those industry solutions. So these are some of the ideas, sort of the activities that we are envisioning to happen in an IoT-based center of excellence. And we are going to roll this out in other areas also in cybersecurity, cloud, and AI. And we have tested a small level with FAST Islamabad, where Dr. Mudassar Aslam had his students learn these technologies in a limited controlled environment, and they did pretty well on Amazon, AWS, Azure पे कुछ accomplishments की, फिर IBM के ऊपर cloud के accounts बनाए बच्चों ने, उन्होंने उसके ऊपर cloud की storage services use की. So it really is possible. So with this, I'll stop, and these are some of the areas that we are focusing on right now, and I'll stop and open the floor for comments and suggestions. So we do have a couple of new faces. If there are no questions, so what we normally do is, okay, we go through a quick round of introductions, and I can go down my list that I see on my screen. So first we have Dr. Hassan Jamil from FAST Karachi. Dr. Hassan Jamil has also been a presenter in one of our 6 sessions. Sir, would you care to share about yourself with the audience?
I think it's enough. My name is Hassan Jamil, and I work at Fast Muses. My interest is in cloud and IoT as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Jamil. Next, we have Isra Naz. Next, we have Muhib Khan.
Hello, my name is Mohibullah Khan. I am a data scientist, did my master's from FAST Islamabad, and my interest is AI and IoT.
Muhib, are you working somewhere? Are you teaching at FAST?
Basically, I work in EME lab, and as well as I also work in University of Va.
Sorry, University of?
University of Va.
Okay. Next, we have Muhammad Abid Ali.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Abid Ali from Khwaja Free University of Engineering and Information Technology, Ranger Khan. My field of work is data mining, and currently I am serving on an administrative post at KFUIT, Ranger Khan.
Right.
And having degree of Masters of Science, Computer Science.
Great, thank you. I do see we have Isra Naz back. Would you care to unmute and share?
Assalamu alaikum. I am Isra Naz from University of Va. I'm working in University of Va as lecturer, and I'm also doing PhD from ComSets Va campus basically. And my field is basically image processing, and I'm also learning about IoT. And that's enough for my side.
Ji, thank you, Isra. Thank you. Next, we have Kainat Ibrar. Ji, Ms. Kainat Ibrar. Next, we have Rida.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Rida Zahra from University of Va. I'm working here as a lecturer, and my field of work is data mining and artificial intelligence. Thank you.
Thank you. Next, we have Tawheed.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tawheed Ahmed. I'm basically retired from the IT industry, but I'm continuing my. I'm here basically as on an observer status to try and keep myself up to date. And I'm writing a book about the impact of technology and society. So this is a very useful information for me, experience. Thank you.
Thank you, Tawheed sir. Next, we have Usama Khalid. Okay, so I do have one last point to make, and then we can close this session. at SPS, we are working on regulatory technologies, and one of the key areas in regulatory technologies is sort of the RegTech is financial crimes. Financial crimes may, we all use banking applications, we all use internet banking, we all use ATMs on a daily basis. And sometimes what happens is कि card, especially जो credit cards या debit cards होते हैं, even on ATM, जब भी किसी आप ATM क्यूबिकल में जाते हैं तो वहाँ पे ना साइड पे आपको एक नोट ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शंस मिलता है कि भाई ATM की लाइट ऑन हुई, आप अंदर आए तो दरवाज़ा लॉक कर लें और मेक श्योर करें कि जो कीपैड के आसपास कोई डिवाइस तो नहीं लगा हुआ. The reason is कि financial crimes is a huge industry these days, and यहाँ तक भी कहा जाता है कि जो drug trade है at some point that was really lucrative, but वो आजकल ये financial crimes is more lucrative than even drug trade. So we are working with different industries and customers where we are trying to help them counter the payments fraud. So for example, अगर if I am sitting in Islamabad और मुझे टेक्स्ट आता है कि भी मेरा कार्ड जो है वो ब्राज़ील में चार्ज हुआ है, so that's a fake transaction, and yeah, that happens every day in Pakistan. It may not be that visible, but globally that's a big problem. Countering this kind of a fraud is a huge industry, and it represents a huge earning and learning opportunity. So we have created this financial crimes practice, and आप में से बहुत सारों ने भी जिक्र किया कि you are working in data science and AI and machine learning, data mining, image processing, and so on. So I would like for you, those of you who are interested, I'm looking for people who are interested in learning more on financial crimes and would want to do one of those activities जो मैंने भी आपके साथ PowerPoint में share की, for example, learning the product, for example, presenting to the customer, teaching others to use that product. And I'll go ahead and share my screen to share with you the specific product that I'm talking about. So IBM का एक product है, this is called IBM Safer Payments. And what IBM Safer Payments does is IBM Safer Payments helps you protect your payments environments, your payment applications from fraud. I'm looking for people who have an expertise in data science, in AI, have a development background, and if they're interested, मैं आपके साथ अभी अपना email address, that in fact I'll ask Jafar to share the email address in the chat window. And if you're interested, I would like for you to reach out to us, and then we can take it from there. This solution helps companies manage payments fraud. It is used in EU, North America, Australia, Pakistan maybe. I know there's an activity happening in safer payments. So there's a huge opportunity. Just like आप लोग Python सीखते हैं या दूसरे solutions सीखते हैं, this is the real world application of those languages. And if you know Python, that wouldn't take you far enough than knowing an actual industry solution. That's what the industry academic collaboration is all about, knowing what's happening in industry. So if you're interested, some of you are interested in learning IBM Safer Payments, getting certified, presenting to customers, going out and meeting with people and sharing how this helps them, and then in the process make money also. So please send us an email at spinlabs@spsnet.com. You will find this in the chat window also. So that was the last thing that I wanted to share. And with this, we can close this session unless there are any comments or suggestions from anybody. Ji Mohit.
Sir, I'm basically a data scientist, and I have 4+ year experience in industry, and I'm really interested to work with you people.
You would be most welcome, Mohit. Ji Mohit,
how can I just
Sure, yeah. So just send us an email at spinlabs@spsnet.com. ये chat में Ahmed Jafar ने भी paste किया, and then we'll take it from there.
Okay, sure.
ठीक है.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Ji, any other comments, questions? All right. You can always reach out to me after this session through the same email address, and I'll be happy to address any of your queries. The next session on IoT is going to be 4 weeks from now. So stay tuned, keep checking your emails. We do have these sessions on a weekly basis. AI is very closely related to IoT. So if you're interested, that would be happening in 2 weeks from now. The next week is going to be a session on cybersecurity. So with this, thank you everyone for joining. I hope this was a useful investment of your time, and we really hope to hear from you. Thanks again and have a good evening.
Thank you, sir.